we have the Emotiva bas-x a500 5-channel. This is gonna run in my high speakers. I supposed to run in just with the Marantz 8012. You know, it's an amplifier receiver. But I say, well, if I put the voice of God, I have to, you know, I need an amplifier. So what I did was I started searching and I see the emotiva 5-channel give me like 80 watts per channel. I say, well, this is fine for the high speakers. So that's what I did, because I needed, you know, like I say, I need one amplifier for the voice of God. I take it out from the pre-out of my second subwoofer. So I say, well, you know, why I can lose? So that's why I bought this one to, you know, to power all the fight. So let's unboxing this guy to see what we have inside this box. Alright guys, so definitely we have the power cord and we have the trigger cable with some fuse. We have it right here. We have pretty nice manual. This look like a book, or you know, like notebook. Let's put this on the side. Wow guys, it's a little bit heavy, what I can say. Put this better right here. I wish you guys have a better look. Let's put this back. Like this, and we have a better look. So, okay guys, this is half tape, that's right. Alright. The emotiva bas-x 5-channel. This looks pretty good to me, guys. Nice. We have power button over here, and when we gonna use, we have to remove this label. Also back here, we have the LED power button in the front. We can turn off and turn on. We have trigger in and trigger out. We have RCAs in and banana plugs out. Over here, we have the power button and the AC cord, power cord that is go over here. I'm gonna bring the camera, that way you can see as well a little bit probably inside how it looks, guys. It's have, guys, it's have a big thyroid for audio inside. Trust me, it's big. This is my hand, and this is the thyroid, like this big. Wow, amazing. Let's see. It's look pretty good to me. Well, guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, comment below, and then stay tuned for the next video. And don't forget, share all the time, guys. So, you know, stay tuned because I'm gonna be uploading more and more and more videos with new themes. So I'll see you guys later. Take care.